So, is the Dji Mavic 2 Pro still the best? Coming right up. So today in this video, I've been taking a look at why the Dji Mavic 2 Pro is still the best in 2020. Mavic 2 Pro was released in August 2018. Is it still worth buying? Since the release of Mavic 2 Pro, it has been a little helper for me. The portability, video quality, and the signal strength of the Mavic 2 Pro is the best. I have no problem during the use of this drone. It can produce video quality that are useful in many situations. The image quality of the Mavic 2 Pro is just like the video quality, but it's not the best. The Phantom 4 Pro can produce a sharper image, but the portability of the Mavic 2 Pro can win anything for me, because the drone that you have right now is the best drone for you. The battery life of the Mavic 2 Pro is very good too. The 25 to 24 minutes flight time is more than enough to get the footage that you need. I really don't have any issue in battery life. If you have 3 batteries, you will have a flight time of more than 75 minutes. That is amazing. It's like you can make the drone go disappear for half an hour without worrying about the flight. In my personal experience, I can say that the Mavic 2 Pro is more stable than the Phantom 4. I think that is because the Phantom 4 is bigger than the Mavic 2 Pro, so it has to fight the winds a lot. And because of its size, I feel more safe when I'm taking close-up shots. Thing I haven't said is the Hyperlapse. The automated feature of the Hyperlapse in the Mavic 2 Pro is a one-step advanced feature. DJI created automated Hyperlapse because it wanted the people to use it more often with ease. So in Mavic 2 Pro, anyone can take a Hyperlapse anytime, anywhere. So let's see what this drone can achieve. I made some edits, so let's watch. It can produce single photo as well, and the quality of it needs nothing to say. The 20 megapixel camera can capture amazing footage. The Mavic 2 Pro is a very good equipment. I've been with this drone in many situations and it always helped me out. It's always make the job done a lot easier. In my point of view, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is a very useful drone. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on another video.